Today is Tuesday, June 13th, 2023, and I must share what has occurred to me. I'm pretty disappointed, however, it is what it is. Alright, so I have marked this particular asset up. It's GJ. I had identified, let me go up to a higher time frame. So I got my triangles all in place as identified here, a couple of triangles, and so then I was kind of unsure on, so I was looking at the divergence here, and I thought that the market was about to reverse, yeah. And so I dropped down, so I started just beginning to trap this just in the event I was incorrect. So let me go down to the 1 minute. And I then looked at, alright, so I saw that this MACD broke right here. I got in a bit froggy, I got in a bit quick, but because I looked at the MACD signal line right here. And I'm like, okay, there's a cross of the MACD, so it's going up. However, the vortex didn't match, so I broke my rules. I did see the CJ arrow, so there was another thing that made me think, all right, this is potentially, it's going, I'm getting in early, but I'm just going to take my chances. So anyways, I get in the trade here, what this vertical line is. Let me get this candle here. All right, so there was the bearish candle, price is beginning to move up, I'm getting excited, and of course it begins to just kind of start going sideways. So then I was just like, all right, you broke your rules anyway, so that's kind of what you get. And then two prices below the 50. So anyways, I get into my MT4 and I'm looking at it, and I can't figure out in my MT4, like, why am I not seeing price eventually continue to go up? And then as I looked closer, that's when I identified, I'm looking at and marking up JPY when I had actually entered MT4 over here in S&P 500. So I was in the wrong asset. So once I figured it out, I just went ahead and closed, and I believe I closed somewhere up here. So I closed that in profit. I wasn't going to take the ride when nothing here. I wouldn't have entered this trade at all. So I just went ahead and exited, and just wanted to document what I did, and just to pay attention, be more mindful, and yeah, so that's what happened. JPY is looking pretty good. However, with me breaking my rules, this was still a no-go. So lesson learned.